Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering a blockchain project called QuarkChain. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just a personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. QuarkChain is a blockchain that utilizes sharding to provide a high-capacity, peer-to-peer transactional system. It will consist of two main layers as shown in this diagram. The sharding layer allows for high throughput by effectively distributing data, while the root layer serves to confirm the blocks of the first. Using this two-layer design, QuarkChain aims to satisfy the trade-off between the three pillars of a blockchain: decentralization, security, and scalability. There will be nodes and clusters for mining on their platform. Clusters are multiple nodes that together run as a super full node. This way, supernodes can be formed without them being run by supercomputers. This helps to provide smaller players a competitive edge in mining. This slide lists some of the key features of QuarkChain. To further increase adoption and ease of use, QuarkChain will provide support for and integrate the Ethereum virtual machine for smart contracts, as it is the most commonly used execution engine. This will allow decentralized apps built on the Ethereum virtual machine to have the ability to be deployed directly on their platform. This slide summarizes the project's development roadmap over the next year. The project is still currently under development, although the team has already achieved a speed of around 2,000 transactions per second in their early closed test. The team is currently recruiting volunteers to try out their testnet, which should go live around the same time as the crowd sale. QuarkChain will be raising funds by issuing QKC tokens. The hard cap is $20 million. Details regarding the conversion rate, maximum market cap, and bonus structure will be provided in due course. Their private sale is already overbooked, but the whitelist for the main token sale will be announced soon, with the actual sale to follow sometime in late May or early June of this year. For the most up-to-date information on their ICO, please visit their website and join their Telegram group. QKC coins are used to pay for transactions performed on QuarkChain and used to reward miners. The value of these coins will depend on the usage of the QuarkChain platform. The more activities and transactions that are made on the platform, the more valuable the coins should be. The initial tokens released will be ERC20 tokens. They will serve as a placeholder for the value of the actual coins, which will be released with the mainnet that is currently scheduled for the fourth quarter of 2018. At the time of the mainnet release, there will be a token swap. The team is currently comprised of 9 people. The biographies for the key team members are summarized on this slide. They also have at least 6 advisors, including the chief engineer for storage at Sun Microsystems, a Virginia Tech professor, a cybersecurity expert, as well as others. Here are some of our thoughts on the project's opportunities. First of all, the closed testnet is already demonstrating 2,000 transactions per second using just a few AWS nodes. This puts it ahead of most other Blockchain 3.0 projects that currently have much higher valuation compared to QuarkChain. This chart from the QuarkChain team shows how they would potentially compare with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, and Alipay. As more nodes are being used in the testnet, higher scalability should be achieved. We mentioned a few months ago that scalability will be one of the central subjects for the blockchain space this year. Projects that can successfully tackle this problem will likely be hugely rewarded. QuarkChain integrates with Solidity, which is by far the most popular language used to program decentralized applications at the moment. For dApps built on Ethereum that need a high throughput, it would be easy to port over to QuarkChain. This means the barrier of entry to adapt to QuarkChain is relatively low. The team is also quite strong and gives comfort in terms of their execution ability. Our primary concern for this project is that the team wants to wait until their blockchain demonstrates higher throughput before actively seeking projects to be built on their platform. It makes sense to prove what they can claim first. However, we feel they could have a more aggressive strategy to build traction for their blockchain. Overall, from an investment perspective, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. The full token metrics have not been made public yet, but just considering the hard cap of $20 million, the team, high market awareness, and that their private sale was fully booked many times over, we believe there will be substantial unmet demand following token distribution. For long-term holding, we also have a positive view. As far as we know, QuarkChain and Zilliqa are the only projects that are currently implementing sharding on testnet. As you may know, Zilliqa is currently our latest crusher of the month. QuarkChain's hard cap of $20 million is less than 3% of Zilliqa's market cap, which we believe is already undervalued. There is substantial disconnect between the valuation of QuarkChain and other promising blockchain 3.0 projects. Therefore, we believe QuarkChain has the potential to go down as one of the most successful ICO projects this year. Thank you very much for watching our video on QuarkChain. For our latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. See you next time and keep on crushing your crypto game.